Building a race car isn't just about the laps, it's how you deal with certain setbacks. And with the Audi TT, we've had quite a few. We just switched from myself to Devin, so he could do a few laps as well. And then the oil light came on and we heard some really weird noises and we're investigating right now. That's why this episode will be a roller coaster, just a warning. We've gone from the highs at Aston to the absolute lows of a blown engine at Solder. We've moved batteries, bled clutches, and as you'll see from the summary overview on the chalkboard later on, we've spent a little bit more than we initially intended. So it's been an absolute chaos, but we've honestly and sincerely enjoyed every second of it. And I guess it's part of the sport, right? Especially when you build your own race car. So follow us into the chaos of this episode. Back at Asse, but I won't be driving the TT today. I'll be driving a rental. She broke down on the second day. Apparently it's the master clutch cylinder, and that's the kind of repair that we can't do here. Otherwise, she is a beast, and I'm looking forward for the next time.
driving again. Here shifter feels much more firm and
Yeah, she really engages into that first gear,
Yeah.
Which was actually a problem when we bought her, but we thought, you know, we didn't really
we didn't notice it
We didn't notice it.
because it was gone. It was missing. Hit it! It's nice to see you smiling. Mansplaining it.
Yes, please mansplain.
We drained the oil to investigate it. Furthermore, I would say we pulled the head of the engine, and I think that we might have dropped a valve or broken a valve spring.
Okay.
So regarding the Audi TT, it's quite clear why the car broke down on track. If we look at this rod, we lost a bearing.
Did you order a new engine block?
Well, I think you ordered one.